Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off the beep sound on your LG air conditioner and what to do if your remote doesn't have the mute feature. So first of all, what you need to do is you just have to simply turn on your LG air conditioner using its remote, which can look something like this. Now you need to make sure that the remote is pointed directly at the indoor unit. Now, after doing so, you just have to simply locate this type of mute button available on your remote. Now, if you don't see the mute button, you just have to simply press and hold the light off button for about 3 seconds. It is also basically written over here on top of your remote that you just have to press the light off button for at least 3 seconds in order to mute it. So on many of the newer LG dual cool and the dual inverter models, this turns the indoor unit's beep sound on or off. You can also press the temperature up and the mode button. If you no longer hear a beep from the indoor unit, it means the mute feature has been enabled successfully. So that's how you can basically do it. Thanks for watching.